नमस्कार, आप सभी का स्वागत है बॉलीवुड न्यूज स्टेशन में, जहां हम आपके लिए लाते हैं बॉलीवुड की हर छोटी बड़ी खबर। तो जुड़े रहिए और देखते रहिए बीएनएस।
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the grand unveiling of Society Interiors and Design. With a project of the Vardhaman Group, a journey of integrity, innovation, and enduring design. So I'm going to request all my a beautiful picture.
दिनेश जी ना थैंक यू
This project especially is one of the project which is located in the heart of Ghatkopar. It's one of the project where we have taken care all the details where customers are always wanting, because we have always believed to develop customer centric projects rather than a project which optimize the revenues, but we have always believed if we are able to sell an emotions what customers need, that is actually in terms where we believe that we are selling dreams and not hopes.
What is that one exciting project that you're looking forward to, Sahil? Which is just your baby, which was just like a dream, and earlier everyone was doubtful about that project, but you think, yeah, this is the one which is gonna be super awesome.
First of all of my projects are like my babies, so I cannot discriminate in any of my projects.
Appreciate it.
But yeah, for me, every of the project is one of its kind. So it's always the next one which I can try to deliver much better and more efficiently. So all of my projects are having some of the USPs. So yeah, for me, every of the projects are near to my heart.
Sahil, about your relationship with Society Interiors and Design, you've always been there, you know, for us, and your equation with Ashok Damankar sir is very special. What do you like to say?
For me, it's like beauty lies in the heart of beholder. Like it's like the eyes of beholder. So whatever we create with all the efforts are already and always been recognized by Society Achievers. So it's always a great equation with Society Achievers and Mr. Ashok Damankar.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Sahil.
Society Interiors.
Ladies and gentlemen, I know we've been eagerly waiting to hear from the very charismatic. Yeah, it's on. It's on.
Yeah, I think it's a great honor to have Sujitra over here. Thank you, Sujitra, for making this evening
My pleasure.
special. Also, thank you so much, Sahil, for giving us the opportunity to carry your dream project on the Society Interior Design magazines. Okay, I'm really grateful to you for allowing us and carrying the same.
Pleasure is all mine.
I think the evening is already started. I don't have much to talk about. It's better that you know, like the chief guest, I think the whole media to everybody is very eager to know from Sujitra. So I'm going to pass on this mic to Sujitra.
Wow.
But before that, let my colleague Andrea and Sunil say a few words.
Hi everyone, good evening. Sujitra, thank you so much for being here with us. Thank you, Sahil. And as everyone knows, Society Interiors and Design is, India's leading interiors magazine, architectural magazine, and as always, even this issue is going to be a hot seller. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. Thank you, Sai, for having us a beautiful cover. I personally feel 2026 is the best cover of it's begin that way. We are halfway of the 26. But thank you so much for this.
Okay, so because the microphone was a little away, that was a beautiful compliment which I don't want to miss out on letting everyone know. Sunil sir.
See, society. This mic, your mic
You
is
can
better
access
than mine.
Sure. Sorry.
So society is not just a magazine. I think to anybody who's grown up in Mumbai and been a part of our culture, it's an institution, you know, like Society Interiors, Society Achievers, Society the whole group of magazines is like an institution, and my association goes back a long way with all of you. So I'm very, very pleased to be here, and it's my pleasure and honor.
What satisfies you the most? I mean, being an actress, a singer, I know you play everything, as I said, you know, in such a natural way. You're a diva, maybe since the time you're born. I mean, what a blessing to be. But what makes you very happy? You know, how do you get into the, right from painting zone to author zone, you know, to being a columnist, talking of the world and getting into the musical zone? Yeah, I mean, how do you manage all this?
See, first of all, I think I'm very lucky that I'm not a careerist. I just do the things I love. So while other people look at their career and their life as a ladder, I'm happily painting doodles and doing my own thing and finding my own path. So I think that's my biggest blessing, or whatever, you know, drawback or whatever. But that's who I am, and I love it.
So Chitra, that's so beautiful. We all have a special place, a space, you know, at our beautiful house. Which is that space which, you know, makes you forget the whole world and you're one with yourself in your house. Which is that beautiful space? Is it a dining arena or the bedroom? Which is that place?
I hope you know, to invite you home, because my house is like an art gallery. Every wall, every door, every frame is painted and done by me. In fact, yeah, Kaveri, there was a time she was like, "Mom, if you put one more thing up, one more painting, or you do one more wall, we'll have to leave the house." So yeah, I think my whole home is very special to me. It's my haven.
Beautiful. Sir, I also want to come. So please take me also, Ashok sir.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll be shooting there. I mean, come on. Who's going to have or imagine a house like this? Thank you so much, Suchitra, for inviting sir. And then I'm going to,
All of you,
I'm
all
going
of you. You're
to
all
tag
invited.
along with them. Tag along with them. Thank you so much. And now, for the most awaited moment, but I'm not sure about this, दोस्तों. इसके लिए, you know, आपको मुस्कुराना पड़ेगा, कुछ cheer करना पड़ेगा. Suchitra, only if you don't mind, if you're okay with it, हम जरूर दो lines सुनना चाहेंगे. But I really want to know about the genre of songs has lots to do with nature, you know, and you're a nature lover is what I presume, and that's how I'm sorry, but from your film, right from Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na with Shah Rukh Khan sir to now, I am going to say this on the microphone, you are much better looking now in every way possible. I'm not going to talk about wo film kab thi, kitne decades purani hai, but that's the beauty of it. So you always
I think 35, no? Or 30 something.
Can you believe it? Can you believe it? मतलब मुझे तो विश्वास नहीं हो रहा था, इसलिए मैं, you know, जो विश्वास नहीं होता तो मैं कहती नहीं उसके बारे में. But that's absolutely incredibly awesome.
Yeah.
So
31.
My God, you still counting? That's so beauty. जोरदार तालियां, कुछ सीटियां बजाए दोस्तों. Come on. She's also a great performer. आप सीटी बजा सकते हैं, everyone. Thank you so much. And हम आपके बड़े fans हैं. Suchitra,
Yeah.
Suchitra, अगर दो लाइन हमें सुनने मिल जाए, so I really want to know right from nature to something as devotion, you know, being very spiritual. आपके नाम में ही कृष्ण मूर्ति भी आता है, and right from Namo Namo to the Vande Mataram, you know, the 2024 and the 2025 August release, to Shararat, the recent. आप शरारती हो, वो मुझे पता नहीं, लेकिन आपकी आंखें बड़ी शरारती है. So जो भी आपकी favorite दो lines हैं, अगर आप please सभी के लिए गा लें तो.
Well, I also just released a book called 108 Quotes from the Bhagavad Gita. So, आप ज़रूर पढ़िएगा. Like you said, my name is Krishnamurthy. So I don't know how I wrote it, but I feel it was a calling that came to me, and the book kind of wrote itself.
It's also on her Instagram handle, so please go ahead, and this is the yoga month, June. Please go ahead and you know, it's a very very short clipping. जरूर उनके Instagram handle पर आप देखना, but अगर दो line हमें सुनने मिल जाए. Sorry, the microphone doesn't have the reverb. माफी चाहिए.
No
but we
reverb,
love your
no
voice.
EQ. Okay.
Thank you, love. Appreciate it. Woo! Come on, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, presenting Suchitra Krishnamurthy.
It's too low. I'll take it a little higher. की, बदलते मौसम में कोई शरारत की, यूं मुड़ के देख लिया आपने कयामत की, बदलते मौसम में कोई शरारत की, किसने देखा है इसे जाने खुदा कैसा है, किसने देखा है उसे जाने खुदा कैसा है, आपको देखा है आपकी इबादत की, बदलते मौसम में कोई शरारत की।
Thank you.
Bada word, guys. Bada word. It's more than super wow. It's again, you know, as I said, it's a beautiful divine feeling.
I do so many things, and for me, my goal and my description of myself is like I feel I'm looking for God through the arts. That's it.
And that's exactly what her tagline is also on Instagram. So please go ahead and follow Suchitra Krishnamurthy. Trust me, your life will have a wonderment.
With me.
Everyone!
Bole bhale,
Everyone!
सुनता जो दिल की सजा, ओ दिल वाले, बाबूल भोले भाले, बाहों में आ झूल जा,
डोले 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 डोले
दिल्ली डोले, प्यार का पंछी पीहू बोले, डोले डोले दिल्ली डोले, प्यार का पंछी पीहू बोले।
Wow! Ashok sir, this is especially for you. Now, sir,